Hey, we never dealt, in Victoria, we never dealt with, what's his name? Kelly. I didn't reset it. We didn't do anything. There was a BVR yesterday. He was supposed to come back. He never came back.
Yes, and then I did send him an email of the.
Did we roll it to today by chance?
That was the last one?
Yeah, it was on docket. Jonathan Kelly. It's like a fifth or sixth BVR.
Oh, no, council told me that, because he was in the hospital, that you said to just reset it until he gets out.
I never said that. No.
Council and we bill, right?
Yes. No, I didn't say that.
Judge. That's what he told me.
I'm putting it on the docket tomorrow. SFBF and the defendant must be here. Yes. Hey, can I give you a cause number?
Yes, Judge.
259-4278.
Okay.
I spoke to Marcos about this and the defendant got deported. So we're just going to end up revoking it because we can't just leave it open indefinitely. So,
Yes. I think he had spoken with state about it.
Yeah, I talked to Chief about it and she said just revoke.
just right. Okay. So 2501. Do we have any arraignments?
Yes, Judge. I think you're busy.
Yeah, well, I'm done. Yeah, I was writing an email.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Bottom of 2, Alvarez, come on up.
Mr. Alvarez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Okay.
On February 25th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, at 3:24 a.m., officer was dispatched to a traffic hazard, a stalled motor vehicle. Officer observed defendant asleep behind the wheel with the foot on the brakes, the engine on, and the key in the ignition. The officer detected strong odor of alcoholic beverage and glossy red eyes. Defendant advised he was out partying and had 7 cups of whiskey. State and field sobriety tests were conducted, 6 out of 6 HGN, 4 out of 8 walking turn, and 2 out of 4 one-leg stand. DIC was read and defendant provided a breath sample. Results were 0.101, 0.109.
Does he have any prior to DBIs and does he have a license?
No priors, Your Honor, and his license is eligible.
Mr. Alvarez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. You're ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I will arrest you. You will go to jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance. You must maintain car insurance. Likewise, if you don't have it, don't drive. That is also a condition of your bond. We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you go to Victoria. Who's your lawyer?
Yeah.
Do you guys see any documents filed?
I know, Judge.
So let's do this. I'm going to have you sign all the paperwork and then I'm going to have you take a seat. We're going to wait for your lawyer to get here. Do not leave. All right, come on.
Go ahead and sign your reset. All right, Judge, next is top of 15, Matthew.
You are Mr. Matthew.
James Matthew.
Yeah, sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Okay.
On April 20th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer observed defendant trespassing in the Harris County Robert Ainsworth Public Law Library after having been previously issued 2 verbal trespass orders and warnings for repeatedly disrupting law library rules of conduct. The 2 prior trespass orders were given on March 27th and March 30th.
All right, Mr. Matthew, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. The only condition I'm placing on you now is do not go to the law library. This one in particular. Do you understand?
No.
What do you not understand?
I was,
Stop. You're charged with criminal trespass.
that's a fraudulent charge.
Great. That's why we have jury trials. In the interim, as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to go back to this place.
Yeah, but it's already for enforcement obligation, I'm to come back to court or else be arrested.
Well, you don't have to come to court, but a warrant will issue. That's
Right?
correct.
So then I'll be arrested. So you are potentially arresting me for fraudulent charge. I was on,
Well, I'm not going to say, hey, wait, hold on. There's always two sides to a story, right? There's your side and then the other person's side. I'm not going to make a decision on what. I just look to see whether there's enough evidence to go forward, and we have a jury determine whether there's enough to convict you or not.
I was arrested de facto on April 20th. De facto, and I was charged with.
Not de facto. You actually were arrested. It's not de facto.
And I was charged with failure to identify. I was taken to jail for failure to identify. The DA could not accept my charges for 24 hours, and then all of a sudden.
Hold on. Mr. Matthews, you have the right to remain silent. Don't. I can give you a lawyer now, but I have a DA here, two of them. Whatever you say, they're going to try to use against you. Just now it's not, but it isn't fine. It's not fine. You're only hurting yourself. I'm telling you.
I was not arrested for trespassing. I was arrested for.
You're charged with trespassing, right?
It's a trespass, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was arrested for failure to identify, and I was taken to jail on that failure to identify. The DA could not accept my charges for 24 hours, and then all of a sudden, I was called within Rule 3 up in the jail, and I was tricked into signing a general bond.
That's not a trick. That's to let you out of jail. It's a general order bond.
I was
to let you out.
paperwork, right? And then I was told to sign for a general bond. And then after I signed, I was told it didn't go through, sign again. And that's when I signed a different the same signature, but a different separate intent. It shows on the paperwork that this is two separate times having signed. And the second one is the one for this situation, the cause number situation. And it says on my general bond that I am here for a misdemeanor of criminal trespassing, which I wasn't arrested in. I was arrested for failure to appear, which I didn't fail to identify, which I didn't fail to identify because I did identify.
So, Mr. Matthew, hold on. I wasn't there. I don't know what happened. All I'm telling you is you're not charged with a failure to ID. You're charged with criminal trespass.
Right, and that's a fraudulent charge. And what I'm saying is now you are putting me in a position to be arrested, having been fraudulently charged. Because now you're giving me a court date, which I can miss, and then you will issue a warrant for me based on a fraudulent charge. So that's what I'm saying.
I know that you're saying it's fraudulent, but there's other people that are saying that it's not fraudulent. And there's no meeting of the minds. So that's why we have jury trials, Mr. Matthew.
Again, sir,
I'm not going to dispute this with you. Listen, you're charged with criminal. I'm not going to debate this with you. Great. Then we will have a jury trial for it. But I'm not going to argue with you. You're charged with criminal trespass. The only thing I'm telling you not to do is don't go back to the law library, to this place where they're alleging the trespass occurred. That's it.
So you're not reasonable, right? Because I'm fraudulently charged in the first place, and now you're putting.
Hey, hold on.
Whereby I may be arrested if I don't come forth.
Mr. Matthew, how on earth would I know that it's fraudulent? How would I know? Am I supposed to take you for your word? Am I supposed to just believe whatever that comes out of your mouth? You could tell me you're the Queen of England. Am I supposed to believe that? You give me the winning lottery numbers. Am I supposed to believe that you got the 6 winning lottery numbers that I'm going to hit $30 million? Am I supposed to just believe? Imagine if every single person that came here, about 1,000 people every other week, am I supposed to believe every single thing that comes out of their mouth? Do you see my point?
I don't have any argument.
This is why I'm telling you, this is a court and we work on evidence. We have people that come testify. We have body cameras. We've got 911 tapes. It works on evidence. And hold on a second. Before anything happens to you here, you will look and you will see absolutely every shred of evidence that they have to prove the case against you. Nothing is going to happen to you until that point. The only thing I'm asking you to do at this point is don't go back to this place and just come back to court. That's all I'm asking you to do.
And that's exactly my point, sir. You're asking me to come back to court, which if I don't, you will issue an award for me
Correct.
for my vessel, for my body,
Correct.
not having committed any crime and having been fraudulently charged in the first place. That is a crime against the state.
I think, given what the state has said, that there's enough probable cause to go forward with this case. And that's it. I understand that you think it's fraudulent. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you because you're not going to accept it. You're not going to take anything I'm saying, and that's okay. But I'm not going to sit here and take another hour and a half to try to convince you of this or that. It's just not what I will do for you now. Listen, what I will do for you now. If you want, I can give you a lawyer. You can talk to the lawyer. As long as you stay in communication with the lawyer, I will waive your appearance so you don't have to come to court every single month. And when this person has all the evidence that state says that they have against you, you guys can meet and you decide on what you want to do. That's it.
Sure.
So literally, all you have to do is stay in telephonic or textual contact with this lawyer. And as long as you do that and stay away from this place, we are all happy. I don't think it can get any easier than that. I mean, all you need now is a damn bathrobe. Really, it doesn't get any easier than that. Just stay in contact. Don't pick up any new case. Do you understand?
Sure, sir. I will keep in contact with the lawyer that you provided me so I don't have to be present here.
Correct. But when they call you, eventually you might have to come back. So at that point, just be ready because you might have to come back at some point. If they decide to dismiss, then you don't have to come back. But if they don't decide to do that, you may need to come back.
Yes, sir.
Just beware. Do you mind appointing him a lawyer?
Yes, Judge.
Do you mind filing those conditions?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
The trial case, Judge,
Yeah.
the jury assembly room was called.
Is the defendant here? You check in?
No, Judge.
That's no good. Is it your trial case? You guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Come talk to me.
Okay. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Is there any way to resolve the case?
Okay, hold on. I think we're kind of at this deadline situation. I think trial is the only way,
Okay.
but we can get a date. I think that's what we need.
You want to do next week? You good do it next week?
So let me. Can we do, I'm good any Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday.
You would do the 6th then? Are you okay with the 6th?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the 6th. You down?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, done.
Sounds good.
All right.
Will we pick and try it on the 6th?
No, we'll pick it and then start testimony 7. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
Money.
Okay.
Morning, counsel.
No, Your Honor.
Just the last name of your client.
Venegas, Vanegas.
Okay.
Venegas.
Jail or bond?
Bond.
Oh, with a B?
With a, Venegas with a V as in Victor.
Negas.
Okay.
I see it. Okay. You just want to resend?
We just are doing the application for documents.
Ah,
Good question.
okay. Have you spoken to Ramona?
Let me-
Speak to Ramona and back. She's the one that takes care of it, and then I'll grant it for you.
Yes, sir.
Please. Thanks. Clyde,
Morning, Judge.
What's up, bud?
Mohammed Mohibi.
Okay,
We had reset him from last week. Everything had been submitted on the pretrial intervention and the restricted driver's license. You wanted to do everything at the same time. I got an email yesterday from Kenneth Henry that's saying they still haven't approved it or disapproved it.
please.
It was just sent in as approved.
Say it again.
It was approved.
It was approved now.
Yes.
Great. Has he done it to you?
Yes.
Yes, TRAS is done.
Okay, so we'll give you about 2 weeks.
Okay,
Once he gets the interlock, at that point, I'll grant the license.
okay.
Does he already have the interlock now?
Yeah, it was a condition of bond.
Okay.
He's had it the whole time.
Hey, Ramona, do you have all the paperwork for the occupational?
Judge, I don't know, but I'll let Mr. Burleson know.
Okay, you guys speak at it and let me know.
Okay, yes, Judge.
Yeah, thanks.
Ramona, I'll follow up with you. I think I owe you a driving record, but that's about it.
I don't think he had anything, but
I'll email you.
talk to me in the chat.
Yep. Will do.
Okay.
12 through the.
Hey, wait, Clyde, I need to give you a date.
Yep.
How's May 12th
Through the 14th.
through the 14th?
You can check. Sorry.
But he was required.
I'm good on either. 13th is fine.
He's here, please be advised.
If it's not all done, yeah. Yeah.
13, you said?
You said 13th?
That works for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we got you.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks, Clyde. Just the last name of your client.
Judge,
Zapata, okay. Jail or bond?
jail, that is the one that was bench warranted, from Liberty. Looks like he has a manufacturer.
Do we know, do they give us any headway? Are they going to give him Zapata? We tried to bench warrant him back. Sometimes they say yes, sometimes they say no. It's anybody's guess as to, you know.
I didn't even see him on docket. So, shouldn't be-
2611-604.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Raggy.
But the bench warrant was returned. I don't know why.
Like Liberty wants.
What does it say?
No, it wasn't any of this. I think Friday sent another manufacturer.
Yeah, why not? You have nothing to lose. Well, we can keep trying until they actually do comply, you know? Maybe they'll just get sick of this and then at some point acquiesce.
That sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, I mean, whatever you want. I mean,
You know, I'd like to know the fresh air from the vision.
hey, good morning. Just the last name. With a G? Okay.
Recommend arrangement settings for bond condition.
Okay. Come up, Mr. Gamon. We will continue conditions as before. He will test twice a week. He will get a GPS monitor. The next time you violate conditions, you will be placed on the trial docket. Do you understand? You're entirely way too much drama for me. The next time you will get an immediate trial setting and you will be put to trial. No more plea bargain offers. Do you understand? Take a seat. All right. Thank you, Ms. McDonough. Good morning, Mr. Elder. So you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with criminal trespass and terroristic threat. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine on both of those cases. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On April 20th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer was dispatched to a disturbance call. On scene, defendant advised he came to the location to speak with his mother, but had been told by hotel staff he was not allowed on the property and was instructed to leave, but failed to do so. Complainant, the manager, advised she had recognized defendant, told him he was not allowed on the property, and instructed him to leave. Defendant remained on the property despite multiple directives to leave. Complainant then advised that defendant threatened complainant, stating, quote, "I'll beat your ass," while approaching her. Complainant reported she was in fear of imminent bodily injury. Witness, defendant's mother intervened, telling him to leave. The defendant instead put his hand on her face, pushed her backwards, and said, quote, "Call the police. They're gonna have to make you leave because I'm not leaving."
So where is this place?
It's a hotel, Your Honor.
Which hotel?
What's the Springs Hotel?
Mr. Elder, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're not to go back to this place and not to have any contact with the complaining witness and the terroristic threat. You understand? If you violate these conditions, I will order your arrest, put you in jail. I will revoke your bond. I'm going to make it high. You know, I don't know who you have in this life that's ready to come to bat for you. But if you violate these conditions, you endanger my community. I can revoke your bond, make it $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. And if you don't have anyone to pony up that kind of money, you'll be stuck like Chuck with me until who knows how long. Do you understand? I'm not asking much. I want my community safe. And it takes one thing, self-control. Do you understand? How old are you, sir? How do you support yourself?
Stuck in my job.
Okay. We will appoint your lawyer today, but I'm telling you, it's thin ice. That ice cracks, your butt's going to freeze. I'm going to have you go to Victoria Center Reset, and then I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box. I need you to fill out an application for me, and then assuming you qualify, then I'll have you speak to someone here momentarily. Am I giving you an application? So no contact, no weapons, no going back.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, the sign in just a.
Says page Barfield.
Hey, go ahead and grant it.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Gold.
Morning, Judge, my question.
Yeah, who you got?
See, the first, John Garcia is, we just found out, he said to get a drug test.
Okay,
We're taking some evidence. If it's negative, I'll just get a reset as possible.
Sure. Yep.
My others are walking for Deja Bar. You should have a PSR in front of you with the FSGI.
Don't, no, there we go.
I don't see.
Thanks, sir. Do you need a cause number, Farmer, or you got it?
Already.
Okay. Barfield, come up. All right, good morning, Ms. Barfield. Ma'am, you're charged with failure to stop and give information, which is leaving the scene of an accident without exchanging information. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
On April 11th in Harris County, officer dispatched to a 2 motor vehicle accident. The complaining witness advised he was at a red light on FN 1960 when an unknown motor vehicle collided into his from the rear. Complainant exited his vehicle to check. Sole operator of the other vehicle appeared to be lost and unaware of what happened, exited the motor vehicle, and then got back in and drove away without attempting to provide any insurance or motor vehicle information. Complaining witness found the license plate of that other vehicle left behind, stuck between his rear tailgate and the bumper. Estimated cost to repair was $2,500.
You didn't prove it's her. How do we know it's her?
Officer conducted a vehicle inquiry through TCIC and NCIC on the plate and return came back registered to the defendant.
Great. How do we know she didn't lend the car out? You still need to prove it's her, though. I mean, did the other driver see her?
Yes, sir.
Say that's her?
Yes, so the
Did you say that? Did I
other
miss
driver
it?
said that, observed the driver of the motor vehicle, exit the vehicle, get back in, and then leave.
They observed her.
From the DINs, that's what my gathering is, yes.
Judge, I'm hearing single facts on how the driver identified my client and then confirmed it with the police. I didn't.
Well, yeah, I mean, tell me that he saw Miss Barfield and she's the one that was in the accident and then took off. Right, I get it, it's her car. There's no dispute it's her car, but it could have been, you know, the Wicked Witch of the West that was driving the car.
Right. Okay, Judge. The complainant also was able to identify the driver's license plate return of the defendant obstructed vehicle and fled the scene.
There you go.
Sorry.
Okay. All right. Ms. Barfield, I'm going to find that there's sufficient, I'm just, you know, what's fair is fair.
Absolutely.
Right. Ms. Barfield, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to have any contact with this person and not to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance. And if you're in your name, if you don't have car insurance, then you are not allowed to drive. You understand? Do you mind filing this condition? Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them. If they tell me they cannot get a hold of you, I will revoke your bond. No more PR bonds. This is not a revolving door. If I have to put you in jail, it's no more PR bonds. Do you understand? That said, you guys have any requests?
By you saying no more PR bonds, I'm assuming you're granting a PR bond, Your Honor.
Good assumption.
Thank you, Judge. That was my request.
Yeah, so we'll set the bond at $100. I'm going to grant you a PR bond now, but it's, you know, one and then another and then another and then another. Right? Okay. Okay, so for now, I mean, there's going to be a while for you to unlock and a lot of paperwork for you to sign. We have you sign a reset, then we'll have you take a seat in the juror box. So we'll get all the paperwork after that. Once you sign all the documents, at that point you'll be free to go. Okay, thanks.
Right this way.
There are those conditions, it was just.
Yeah, just no contact with the complaining witness, no driving without a license and insurance. Hey, Tony, what's up, man? How are you?
Got a question.
Just the last name of your client.
There's not on docket. In fact,
You got a cause number for me?
got a 2B warrant. It's 261
261.
4330. Mercado.
Okay.
So Mr. Mercado has a warrant.
Yes, is this person here now?
He's not. And
Okay.
the reason that he's not, I was gonna have him today, but I wanted to see what your honor would consider your bond.
Yeah, of course. I mean,
No, it's not.
sure. Well, it's a second, but yeah.
And it's, but we try.
Yeah, I'm, yeah.
Okay. We'll keep your.
I mean, the bond's set at $100 anyways.
Okay.
If he pays it, he gets a 7-day setting, then we'll do PC at that point. Oh, he can just come in, you know, however you choose. So,
All right. It's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
thanks, Tony.
This is Mr. Spock. You don't have to look at time, so.
You don't have to tell me. We know Mr. Sparks very well. You know, it's unfortunate that Mr. Sparks is just another statistic. You know, at some point, you're going to get it. I hope that you've gotten to know the old timers in jail so you see what it's like. Those people who have been sitting there day after day, year after year, in and out of jail, have not even a pot to piss in, no money to their name. As soon as they get out, they ain't got no game, no money. It's not a great life to live. And here you are, what, 19, in and out, in and out. Now you got a case in another county. I mean, when does it stop? We tried to do everything in our power to try to get you to see, to at least do something worthwhile with your life. Here we are, over and over. You were placed on probation for the unlawful carrying of a weapon. Is it true or untrue that you violated your probation? I'm going to find that it's true. What do we? I see 86 days credit, but what?
Oh, and then should be fine. I have to be a judge.
It's 86 days with 86 days credit.
Okay. I'm going to send you to 86 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 86 days that you have done. Any weapon that was confiscated in this case will now be forfeited to the state. You will not get it back. All right, sir. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Vaughn.
Thank you.
Hey, Ally, you ready?
Good morning.
Hey, what's up?
I'm approaching on Darius Morris.